Creativity is hard to nurture in survival mode. Man, hearing this today brought tears to my eyes, but it also brought a smile to my face and gave me hope. Survival is a cold and lonely place, and you can become stuck there even after the catastrophe that initiated it has come and gone. You can feel completely isolated in a room full of people, misunderstood, and even drained. The interesting part is, although you may not be able to change the outcome of whatever caused you to get there, you can control how you deal with being there. Here are some keys to doing just that. Acknowledgement. Messed up stuff happens to us all the time, and we all deal with it in different ways. So be graceful with yourself and allow you to feel however you need to in order to deal with it. No one else should be able to influence that. Vulnerability. You're a human. I mean, I'm not, but that's another story for another day. But as human beings, we are tribal creatures. We need each other to be at our best. So find at least one person you trust enough to truly open up to, someone who won't judge, marginalize, or criticize you for feeling how you feel, and be prepared to show up for them the same way. At least do your best. Confidence. One of the hardest things to do is get back up after you've been knocked down. You have to get back up though, because all of those ideas that keep you up at night, the ones that make you smile and could potentially change the world, deserve to be set free. They're there for a reason. And that reason may simply be to pull someone out of survival mode. Just like hearing this quote did for me today.